Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super cool and fun picnic basket for two. So let's get into it. The weather was amazing today in Texas, so I made a picnic basket. So in my bowl I have some fruits. I have some plums, some lemons, blood orange, and an orange. And basically I'm just going to wash them up. I always wash them up with a little vinegar, especially if I plan to use the skin or the rind. I just wash them up with a little vinegar and water, just like this. As you're gonna see later on in the video, I didn't use the plums because it turned out they were actually bad, which I'm annoyed with because I just bought all of this. I just bought it. So this is what the blood orange looks like. We're gonna make lemonade, blood orange lemonade, or natural Kool-Aid, because it's gonna give it that nice beautiful pink color without actually using the artificial Kool-Aid. I'm going to sweeten it up with some honey. You can use sugar, agave, or your favorite sweetener, as well as I'm using water, which is not sponsored. But yes, I'm just going to put my lemon juice down in here. You can add as much lemon juice as you want. Y'all know how to make Kool-Aid, and y'all know how to make lemonade. However, I just wanted to show you guys the process I'm doing today. And I added some honey down in there, and I'm just going to add my water and keep it cute, keep it nice and refreshing. It's not too sweet. It's nice and slightly tart, and it has a super mellow orange flavor from the blood orange. It was so good, you guys. And if you can find blood orange in your area, it's really good. You guys should pick some up. And yes, I'm going to mix this up, and that's it for the drink. Alright, so I'm going to be making deli wraps, and I'm using this spinach herb wrap. I got this from Aldi. Everything I used today came from Aldi except for the blood orange and the cheese. I also have some prosciutto. I have some buffalo chicken right here, but deli style buffalo chicken breast. Also, instead of using mayo, I will be using some roasted pepper hummus, just to keep things a little healthier. I have tomatoes and lettuce. But if you want mayo or yogurt, you can use either one. I'm also using some freshly shredded white cheddar. So now I'm just going to build it. I'm just going to build it. You can put it in any direction you feel, but I'm starting off with the hummus all over the bottom. You want to smear it everywhere. Now, one of those little packet cute things were enough for 2 wraps. I thought I would have needed 2 tubs of it, but the 1 tub was enough for 2 wraps, so that was good to go. I love hummus, you guys. It's so delicious, but I never get the plain ones. The plain ones are just super bland. I do not like the plain ones, so I always get the roasted pepper one or the garlic parmesan. That one's really good as well. And so I'm just going to add my deli meat, the buffalo chicken, the cheese, my prosciutto, the tomato, and the lettuce, and we're going to wrap this thing up, and then I'll show you guys what I do next. So now that I have my wraps rolled up, now I'm just going to wrap it in parchment paper and aluminum foil. I always put parchment between aluminum foil and food. I'm just paranoid. I do that all the time. But you can put it in Ziploc bag. You can do it however you want to, but I wanted the deli style look, so I wrapped it in aluminum and parchment paper. So for dessert, I'm going to use these little coconut chocolate candies, like the Ferrero Rocher, those coconut ones that comes with the chocolate. So, and these are the fruits. I have some tangerines and some banana. I didn't want to add chips. I feel like that's too much, but you can add chips. But I'm doing tangerine and banana, and it was, good to go. So now I'm just going to load up my picnic basket, y'all. I am obsessed with this cute little picnic basket. I don't know. I love it so much. And I can't wait to make more picnic meals and put them in my basket because it's so, so cute. this is what the drink looks like. The drink was super refreshing, not too sweet. The food was good. The fruit was good, of course. Perfect on this perfect sunny day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and if you like it, tag me, let me know what you think, especially if you make it. And don't forget to check out my description box for further information as far as like the basket, where I got it from, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye, y'all.